and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ, and today I'm going to do a high puff with this Cantu product right here. Okay, I know in a past video I said I would show you guys how I would use this, and before when I used to do my high puffs I did it with a regular elastic band, but this time I'm going to try this, and this is my very first time, so if I mess up I don't know, we'll just see. So let me just go ahead and take this out. Ooh. Oh, they have those twisties behind here. All right. I'll get it out one day. One day. Okay. I think I'm getting there. I'm getting close. Okay. Finally. All right. Okay, so we have that here. You take it apart, you open it up, then you put it back in and you clip that right there. So let's see. So before I scare you guys when I take this off, just brace yourself. All right, so here we go. Let's get started.
Oh my God!
Woo! Okay. Oh man, this is an old twist out, okay? And that's the best time to actually do a high puff, when your old twist outs just doesn't work anymore, or old wash and go. So I'm gonna start with my gel, and then I'll add some edge control after that. Actually, I probably need to spray a little bit so the gel can really penetrate and work throughout my hair. Okay. All right. Let me hit up the gel. Some in the back. Okay, you got to make sure you get it really smooth. Really, really smooth. Okay, where's my brush? So, I'm using a Demon brush, by the way, and that really makes it smooth, and it lays down pretty good. All right, now, oh boy, I hope this have a satin. I use these so I won't break off my hair. But anyway. How high do I want it? Okay. Then you clip it. Yep. Then I'm going to take my pick and I want to make it higher. You know, they say using these instead of those elastic bands, you won't get a headache. And normally, I get headaches with the elastic bands, so I want to use something better. I'm not too much of, oops, as far as like laying edges down. I don't really get all into that, but I'll try my best. You know what? Hold on, I forgot my edge brush. Okay, I'm back with my edge brush. So, like I said, I'm not really all into really laying my edges too tough. Okay. See if I can get it even higher. Okay. All right, so what do you guys think? This puff, or whatever you call it, by Cantu, it's called Thick Hair Clip. Extra Hold Thick Hair Clip by Cantu. It feels good in my hair. It doesn't feel like it's pulling my hair, and I feel no tension, which is a good thing. So I'm pleased. But I'm forgetting something. And if you watch my channel, you already know that I have to have my hoops. If I can find the hole in my ear. Okay, there you go. Okay. Ta-da! Let me turn around for you. I don't know how it looks in the back. Hopefully it looks fine, but you guys can see it. I can't, so I can just go by assuming. But anyway, I am finished, and that is my high puff. All right. By the way, I paid $4.99 for that. It's not a puff. I don't want to get it confused with the other product. I forgot the name, but this is Cantu Extra Hold Thick Hair Clip for $4.99 at Target. Okay, pick it up. I love it so far. I feel no tension. I like it. All right, so there you have it. That's my high puff. So until next time, I will see you guys later. I hope you have a blessed day and be a light, shed some light. And until next time, God bless. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye-bye.